This is a NEMA inteliLIGHT controller, a crucial component in the operation of smart street lighting systems. It serves as the intermediary between the light fixture and the central management system, enabling remote control for individual lamps, monitoring, and data collection. NEMA is an American standard connector, used in many countries around the world. It has an insulated plastic case, built to seal perfectly and provide protection against dust and harsh weather conditions. As you can see, it has a seal, 3 mounting pins, 4 other pins for implementation and an insulating gasket. Nowadays, most lamps come right from the production line with a built-in interface like NEMA or Zaga, which allows almost plug-and-play installation and eliminates the need for any additional attachments or modifications. In order to connect it to a central management system, you need first a NEMA-compatible lamp, like this one. You'll see that there are 2 small connectors and a bigger one. To attach it to the lamp, you need to find the bigger connector's corresponding slot, apply some pressure and rotate it clockwise. This particular NEMA controller uses cellular communications and comes with 10 years prepaid connectivity. Once the controller is connected, the smart street lighting management system powers up automatically, making the luminaire accessible for monitoring and control and allowing innovation to light up our streets and enhance our daily lives. Curious to find out more? Visit inteliLIGHT.com to learn how smart lighting is transforming cities all over the world.